A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Discipline to Destiny, the power of training well. Ladies and gentlemen, the art of training is the cornerstone of progress, shaping not only skill but also character and purpose. It is said, you can only fight the way you practice. This encapsulates the truth, a philosophy echoed across time and cultures. From the disciplined Spartan warriors to the meticulous artisans of the Renaissance, mastery has always been the result of rigorous preparation and relentless practice. Training and practice are not merely habits, they are frameworks for building discipline, rhythm, and refinement, thus laying the groundwork for excellence. Neuroscience reveals that repetition strengthens neural pathways, a process called myelination, turning effort into instinct and preparation into mastery. The journey toward transformation begins with 10 timeless principles. Principle 1. Follow a code. Every endeavor is anchored in values: loyalty, courage, veracity, compassion, and honor. They form the moral compass that guides purposeful action and meaningful impact. Principle 2. Never think dishonestly. Honesty with oneself is the foundation of progress. Sustainable success demands consistency and dedication, with no shortcuts to lasting achievement. Principle 3. The way is in training. The magnitude of change desired dictates the scale of effort required. As Leonardo da Vinci observed, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, achieved only through relentless practice. Principle 4. Get acquainted with every art. Life's exponential challenges cannot be solved with linear solutions. Broad knowledge fosters innovative approaches to multifaceted problems, exemplified by those who merge diverse disciplines to reshape the world. Principle 5. Know the ways of all professions. The truly educated individual is one who continually learns and adapts. Leaders who embrace cross-disciplinary knowledge thrive in navigating complex realities. Principle 6. Distinguish between gain and loss. Wisdom lies in recognizing priorities. Resources, processes, and goals must be aligned to create meaningful outcomes. Principle 7. Develop intuitive judgment and understanding. Instead of seeking immediate answers, focus on asking profound questions. Intuition emerges from deep understanding and thoughtful inquiry. Principle 8. Perceive those things which cannot be seen. Preparation includes anticipating the unseen. For every visible challenge, countless near misses hold vital lessons for the vigilant. Principle 9. Pay attention to trifles. The path to greatness is paved with the attention to detail. Icons of success owe their achievements to unwavering commitment to preparation. Principle 10. Do nothing which is of no purpose. Time is life's most precious currency. Spending it with intention ensures fulfillment and a legacy of impact. Ladies and gentlemen, training is not merely an act, but a way of life. Neuroscience confirms that disciplined practice rewires the brain, creating resilience and empowering individuals to thrive in uncertainty. The wisdom of these principles is timeless, resonating in the samurai's Bushido code and modern systems of excellence. To train well is to 1. Embrace the present moment. 2. Aspire fearlessly. 3. Grow stronger than yesterday. And 4th, expect nothing but prepare for everything. Life is not about discovering oneself. It is about creating oneself. Each day offers a canvas for transformation, and training is the brush that paints the masterpiece. By following these principles, one not only prepares for life's battles but also charts a course from discipline to destiny. Train well and empower a legacy. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.